How to turn on or turn off the data saving mode on YouTube app. So hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or off data saving mode. First thing, go to YouTube, go to the top corner and click on your profile picture. Now right here you will find many options. Go down and click on the settings option here. After you click on settings, now it will take you to this page. Here you will find many options. Choose the second one, data saving. After you click on data saving, now you can turn on or turn off the data saving mode as you want just from here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.